Hello, this is third grade lesson 14 worksheet, and the first thing we're doing is finding the elapsed time using a clock. So if number one, our start time is 9:10 a.m. and their end time is 10 a.m., the elapsed time is the time between 9:10 and 10 o'clock. So to find this, we do 60 minus 10, we get 50. So because we do 60 minus 10 because 60 minutes makes 1 hour, and 1 hour would equal, if we add 1 hour to this 9, it would be 10. A clock like this, right? So that's what we want to reach here. But it takes 50 minutes to hit that, right? So we do 50 minutes as our answer. Okay, then we do number two. So we can do the same thing here. So we already know that 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So we can just add 60 to this. So 60, that makes 6 o'clock right now, right? And we need to hit 6:15. So we add another 15 to this. And we go 5, 7, and then we know that there can only be 60 minutes, so we do 1 hour and 15 minutes, because this is 1 hour and this is 15 minutes, right? So then we can do number 8 here, so 9:30 and 12:15. So 60 minus 30 is 30, but that only gets us to 10, and we want to hit 12. So we're at 10 right now, right? So 60 gives us, or 30 minutes gives us to 10, and we need to hit 12. So it's 2 more hours. 2 hours is 2 60s. So 60 plus 60 equals 0. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So we get 120 minutes plus our 30 we did here. So we get 120 plus 30, and we get 150. So 150 minutes at 12, and we need to reach 15. So we do plus 15 equals 165. And then 165 is, if we do that, we did 2 hours. So we got 2 hours here. 2 hours, because we used 60 twice, and we know that each 60 is an hour, right? And we have our 35 here and our 15. So if you add 30 plus 15, we get 45. So we get 45 minutes. Let's do number 10. We can also do subtraction here, actually, for this question. We do 1250 minus 825. Oops. So we get 4, 10, we get 5, 2, and then we get 12 minus that, which goes 4. So we get 4 hours, 25 minutes. Oops. So for this one, finding the end using find the end time using a clock. So the end time is this one here, the end, and giving us the elapsed time. So our start plus elapsed should give us the end, right? So we just add these all together. So 9:15 plus 1 hour and 15 minutes. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 2 plus 2, or 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then we have 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we have 10:30 a.m. Let's do number 5 here. So our start time is 10:10 a.m. and our elapsed time is 1 hour 45. So we do 10 plus 1:45. We get 5 colon 10 plus 1 equals 11. So we get 11:55 a.m. Let's do number 8 here. So 9:15. And our elapsed time is 2 hours and 35 minutes. We add these together. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And then 9 plus 2 equals 11. So we get 11:50 p.m. Okay, let's see number 10. Our start time is 8:10. Our elapsed time is 2 hours and 45 minutes. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Colon 8 plus 2 equals 11. So we get 11:55 p.m. Next, use the class schedule to answer the question. So first thing we're going to do is fill out the chart. So if we want to find our elapsed time for each one of these, so we can do 60 minus 30 equals 30. which gives us 9. Add 15, we get 45. So our elapsed time is 45 minutes, right? So for reading, 60 minus 15 gives us, let's see, 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, so we have 45 minutes plus 15, because when we add 45 to this, it gives us 10, and we need to reach 10:15, so we need the extra 15 minutes, so that's why we're adding 15. So 5 plus 5 equals 10, 4 plus 1 equals 1, or 4 plus 1 equals 5, 5 plus 1 equals 6, so we get 60. So 60 minutes. Let's see, erase this. Let's erase this. There's that dot. Okay, and then we have 10:15 to 10:35. So this one is we're not going up an hour, so we can just simply do 35 minus 15, right? Because the difference from 35 to 15 is only this amount. So 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 1 equals 2, so we have 20. So this is 20 minutes. Okay, and then let's erase this. And let's do so we need to reach 11:20 from 10:35, so 60 minus 35 again. And we get 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, so we get 25 minutes to reach 11 o'clock, and we need to reach 11:20, so we add the additional 20, so we get 45. And then we have 12, and we have 11:20 to 12, so again we do 60 minus 20, and then we get 40 here, right? 40 to reach 12, and then we need the extra, because it's only 12, we need to reach 12:05, so we had 5 minutes, so we get 45. So 45 minutes. Okay, and then from this you can answer all these questions. So which activity lasted 45 minutes each? We can do RD for reading. Let's look up our other 45s. Our next 45, music, which is M for music. Art, A for art. Okay, and then we can do which activity is the shortest. We look at our chart and we see recess is the shortest. So that you can answer the rest of the questions. So let's go to our last problem, which is word problems. So Stacy needs at least 30 minutes to get ready for school. If she leaves school for 8:05, what is the latest she can get ready? So we know that if we need to be at 8:05, right? How many minutes? So we can do, there's 60 minutes in an hour, so we can do this minus 30, which gives us 30, right? So we know that, so we could take away 30 from this one, right? So let's erase this. We take away 30 from that, so we do 8:05, right? And then we do minus 30 minutes, right? So 5 minus 0 equals 5. 0 can subtract 3, so we take away 1 from the 8, turn it to 7. And it doesn't turn into a 1 because it only goes up to 60, because 60 minutes is an hour. So we can do 6, which gives us 3. And then colon, and then drag down the 7. So we get 7:35 a.m. Okay. So let's do number 3. So Abby needs to leave the house about 5:30. If the minute hand is on 2, it is closer to 5 or 5:30. So if the hand is closer, so if the minute hand is closer to the 2, it is going to be, so the minute hand was 1, so it goes 5:10, right? So if it's, let's draw it out. So if it's on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11. Okay, there we go. So then like this, right? So each number is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and then whatever, right? So if our hand is on 2, minute hand is on 2, then that means it's 10 minutes. So if it's 5:10, right, it is closer to 5 o'clock because it's farther away from 5:30. So to 5 it is only 10 away. 10 minutes away, and 5:30 is 20 minutes away.